Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you the location of reverse parking sensors. This video will apply to 5th generation of Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, in case your parking sensors are not working, it's always a smart idea first to check the fuse, but if the fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to check the wiring and all connections at the sensors, just because lots of mud and water can get into that area and damage something. Worst case scenario, you'll have to replace one of the sensors because quite often, if one fails, none of them will work. The fuse to check is in a small fuse box in a passenger's cabin next to the passenger's right foot, behind this black cover. So first thing, you want to pull the cover towards yourself and remove it. And then you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. Now on top of this cover you have a fuse diagram. To remove the cover, two black tabs, one on the right side, one on the left side. You want to press them at the same time and pull towards yourself. And on the back side, small fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuse. And the fuse to check, it's a fuse number 32, which is a 10 amperage fuse located just here above the relay. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.